I own a chainsaw. 6 chains and this fucking thing.
The Poolin 3816, as a homeowner saw, I'd call it adequate but not exceptional. Where it's good at, light to medium property maintenance, cutting falling limbs, pruning, occasional firewood, relatively lightweight for gas saw. It's about 13 libs. Common complaints are hard starting, stalling at idle, needing carburetor adjustments, reliability issues after years of use. That isn't a great assessment. A little bit of oil in there. Oh, Jesus. There's gas in there. The guy says it runs, just it's a little hard to get going. Okay. So check. I guess go here, get the bar off. First try. Oh, great. This fucking set don't fit these. What the fuck? Gonna have to try to wrench it off. Oh yeah. A lot easier than I thought. I might have goofed. I did not realize that was the chain tensioner as well. I guess that's what this fucking means. Shit. Committed now. Okay. This looks brand new. Brand new bar. Not sure if these numbers mean anything. Just product codes. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I can't imagine gunk like this is good for anything. So I'm gonna give all this a clean. I've already started on the chain tensioner, but just get in here, clean it all up. I noticed around this guy that it's fairly melted. The plastic looks like it's melting. I don't know if that's normal, but it is freaking me out. Up and around here, it spins freely, and then it catches right there. See how it's locked up, and then get it past it, and it's free again. I don't know what the fuck would cause that. On the inside, I'm seeing lots of melted plastic up in here, which I'm not fucking sure how you would even fix. You can see it has a bit of a wobble still, but it's much better, and it doesn't catch on that plastic anymore. But yeah, you can see it. I'll give her a spin. You can see the wobble. That's also because it's not tight. Kind of put it down like that. Banged it on the center just a tad. Put it back on there, spun it around, found the high spot, and then I would flip it onto the high spot and just give it just tiny little taps. So I'm taking this stinker off here now. Let's get a look in at our air filter. It's looking pretty rough. Spark plug and a bunch of stuff I don't understand. Might have lucked out. This thing seems to be okay. Other than the clutch, which is an easy part. I saw one online for 15 bucks. No fucking way. Alright, I'll put this beauty back together. I have it at like a 3 chain tightness or a 3 tooth tightness, I think. Pretty sure I heard old Buck and Billy Ray say that at one point, so I don't know if it's right. It should be tighter or looser, let me know. I'm gonna start draining this bad fuel here. Cut this boy off, and then stick it in the top, and then basically just pour it in. There's not much left. Oh god. Oh no, it's going everywhere. It's empty in there, I promise. So this is what our fuel, quote unquote fuel, is looking like. There is some strange shit going on in here. I don't know what this is. It's fucking tall.
No.
No.
Look, you can make a phone call.
Yeah, I've been struggling.
Price didn't take out a tree with one of these.
I'm surprised that more didn't end up on the road. Like, once something gets going from this height, it's not stopping.
Oh no. Besides this, imagine one of those fell down.
Wow.
Carb adjustments don't have slots. They're like knurled ends there. Looks like it needs a special tool of some sort. That little discovery has led me here because no one in my city sells these, not even the still dealers, so gonna have to wait a few days before this gets done.
The next one we might not.